Okay, let's check out these Hadley Designs pre-K posters. These are so cute. I'm always really impressed with Hadley Designs work, all the way from the quality to just really the way that she designs things are just beautiful. So these are posters for like a pre-K or kindergarten room, and they've got 16 different kinds. So here it looks like this is the alphabet. It's really well printed, and these would be so easy to hang up in your room. Oh my gosh, look at it's okay to feel, and then it has all kinds of emotions on here. This is so wonderful for kids, because sometimes, you know, kids are young at this age. They can't explain what they're feeling, but if you can just hang this up and just have them point to what they're feeling, what a great way for them to express, you know. Here's another one, days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I just can't get over how well these are made. The prints on these, the print is so beautiful. Here's another one. This is the shapes. So if I hold this up close, hopefully you can see like how beautiful the print is. They did not go cheap on this stuff. Okay, so here's another one. US currency. This is more for like the older grades. Another one is, oh, the United States of America. Okay, cool. Wow. Here's the colors. I mean, she thought of everything with these. They're so cute. Okay, here's accounting poster. Oh, look at those little ice cream sickles for 10. Adorable. Oh, neat. Look at this one. It's the solar system. Look at all those pretty colors. And then the sun at the bottom. What is the weather? This is a great one for the little kids to know. Yeah, that's a really good one. And then count to 100. Oh, this can be used for, like, you know, when they count for 100 days of school, they can just, you know, mark one off every day. Adorable. Okay, here's a world map. So this is obviously for like the bigger kids. But the world map. Oh, that's neat. Look at, and also like it has like the Alaska polar bear where it's cold, and then it's got it like a you know, the boat, and then Africa for the lions and the Egypt. Oh, that's so cool. Telling time. Here's a telling time poster. Okay, so these are just flat. These don't move. There's nothing, you know, it's just like printed on here. But I'm impressed. These are so cute. We just got a couple more to go. So here are the months of the year. Oh, I like July. That's neat. And then, oh, classroom rules. These are some great basics. And then the last one is, oh, your 5 senses. So hearing, sight, taste, smell, touch. That is so cool. Okay, I'm impressed with these. These are adorable. They feel well made. This is definitely, the print is very, this is a quality product. I'm impressed with it. So if you're looking for some posters to put in your classroom, I would definitely check these out. Highly recommend.